Email. It's a method of exchanging messages between people using a laptop, phone, or computer. It has never been used before to make money online, but in this video today, I will show you how you can use email in a completely new and unheard of way to actually get you paid through the use of this brand new tool here that I've never talked about before that you can use to get paid over $400 per email sent on complete autopilot through all these payment options. This requires no website, you don't need to be an expert at all, and it's very easy to do. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay guys, so before we get to the tool I've shown you in that intro, you will first want to go over to this website here, one that will actually be paying us. The site in question is called jvzoo.com. Now, for those of you who have never heard about this site, JVZoo is essentially an affiliate marketplace. It's extremely similar to the likes of Digistore24, ClickBank, OfferVault, and many others. You can basically come onto this platform and find various affiliate offers to promote. And whenever someone makes a purchase through your own unique affiliate link, you will get paid. Now, something I really love about this site that I think you will too is that it has all these different ways for you to get paid. They do offer PayPal, and that I know is the platform most of you watching this will want to use. But for those of you who aren't living in the US, Western Europe, or wherever, they have these other payment options like Stripe and Payoneer, meaning that you can get paid in countries where PayPal is not available, and that is a really cool feature not many other websites offer. With that said, what you guys will need to do when you first come onto this site is sign up. To do so, you want to click on Start for Free up here. What you will have to do next is enter in your full legal name, email address, and password. And after doing so, you will want to select a country that you're from. And now is a perfect time for me to show you all of these countries that are available. As you can see, JVZoo will work no matter where you're coming from. It's 100% worldwide available. In any case, once you have entered in all of this data and chosen your country of origin, you will want to tick this box and click on the register button located just below. Once you log in, this is what you will come across. And your next step from here, guys, is to simply put, find a good product to promote. And so you will need to access the affiliate marketplace I am on as we speak. To do so, just click on Affiliates and then on Find Products located just below. And it's on this very page where you will be able to find a product to promote. And I want to now briefly cover all of the stats you will have about the products and what they all mean, so that you will be able to find the best product for yourselves to promote. The first two bits of info here we can see are the launch date and the number of products sold. You guys will want to make sure that the product you want to promote is not really old, like several years. You also want to make sure it's decently popular, meaning that you will have an easier time promoting it. The next thing you can see is conv. This stands for conversion rate, and a conversion rate is essentially a percentage of people that bought a product after going over to the sales page. A conversion rate of 10% means that 10 out of the 100 people bought a product. And the conversion rate, guys, should be one of the main deciding factors when choosing a product, as it's quite important. The higher the conversion rate, the more people will buy a product that you are promoting, as simple as that. The next thing we have here is EPC. This stands for earnings per click. That is the average amount of money made each time someone clicked on one of the affiliate links relating to the product in question. The following stats we can see are the average price, the commissions, or how much of a percentage of the product's price you will get when someone makes a purchase, and last but not least, the refund rate. Out of all of these mentioned, the refund rate, conversion rate, and commissions are the most important factors. You'd want the conversion rate above 10%, the refund rate should be lower than 10%, and if possible lower than 5%, and the commission should be at least 30%, so that you're earning a decent amount of money whenever someone makes a purchase. Now, with all of that said, guys, what you'll want to do is find a product to promote, as I said before. See which one has the best stats and go for it. In what category the product is in doesn't matter, but I would recommend the business and finance category since that one has a lot of awesome products for you to choose from. In any case, once you open up a product you like, you will want to grab the affiliate link to it. To do that, you will have to write something in this box along the lines of, "I am experienced in affiliate marketing. I know how to promote products and I will be able to get traffic to your link." And when you write something like that, just click on Request Approval here. And don't worry, guys, because 90% of the time you will get accepted and they will send you their affiliate link. And once they do so, once you have that affiliate link of yours, it's now time for you to get traffic to it so you can actually make money. One of the most common and effective ways is to use social media, as it's one of the most powerful and also most used tools to get traffic to affiliate links nowadays. What you can do, for example, is go over to Facebook groups, and if your product is in the business and finance niche, which I did recommend as well, you can search for various Make Money Online groups and promote it there. Say stuff like, "This helped me make good money online," and whatnot, and then leave your affiliate link next to that. And since these groups have thousands of members, as you can see, you are sure to get quite a few links and purchases definitely. YouTube is another great source of traffic. Once again, I'm using the business and finance niche as an example, and so what you would do is search for how to make money online and open up any one of these videos and then go over to the comments and simply reply to all of these saying stuff like, "This is the best way to make money online. I made money with this tool," and so on, and then leave your affiliate link in that reply. And you will be able to get clicks not only from the person you replied to, but also random people that would be able to see your comment. Now, even though social media is a great way for you to get traffic to your link and make some good money online, using this tool is far, far better. I will leave the link to it in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. As you can see, through the use of emails, this can make you up to $400 per day. And as you can see, it requires no website, no experience, no tech skills, and no email list. It's a tool that literally has it all and can make you money no matter your experience level or what product you're promoting, because as you can see here, it works in any niche you want to. This is why I said before, it literally doesn't matter what product you go for, because this tool will get you traffic to anything and everything. Whether it's some weight loss product from Digistore24, some giveaway website from OfferVault, or some business product from JVZoo. This website will get you traffic to it automatically and allow you to make money in completely passive income. Furthermore, as you can see here, it offers a 365-day money-back guarantee. And they will actually pay you $200 if this doesn't work out for you. So even though it is a paid software, these two features more than make up for it. So I would highly recommend you guys give this a try since you aren't risking your money. And moreover, I got you guys a great deal and it will literally cost you under 20 bucks. So once again, if you want to check it out, it's the first link down below. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.